of Terry Sewell and John Lewis and Jim Clyburn and so many others who are working to make sure that we address the egregious Supreme Court decision from 2013 that undermined the ability of everyday Americans to participate in our democracy and ushered in a new era of voter suppression in the United States of America. House Democrats are going to make sure that we end that practice. We are also focused on advancing an agenda supported by the overwhelming majority of the American people on gun safety and gun violence prevention. And we've been joined by several distinguished leaders in that effort. Let me now yield to someone who's been a champion for gun safety, our distinguished Vice Chair, Catherine Clark.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman, and thank you all for being here today. On tomorrow, for the first time in over a decade, House Democrats will vote on a gun safety reform bill. We have been partaking in a grisly ritual. We have a mass shooting, we have a moment of silence, and then there has been inaction. This signifies the end of that, and a chance to say to the American people, we understand that we want to keep our neighborhoods safe, and that we can do this in a bipartisan way with support of over 95% of the American people across ideologies who say it is common sense to keep guns out of the hands of dangerous people. That is what the two bills that we will be taking up this week will do. One is comprehensive background checks. The other is closing the Charles.